Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a webhook in Twilio. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Twilio console. Once inside, go to the navigation menu and choose Active Numbers. Here, you'll see a list of all your active numbers. Select the specific number you want to configure. On the settings page for that number, scroll down until you reach the messaging section. Look for the option labeled A Message Comes In. By default, it may already be set, but change it to Webhook. This allows you to connect your number to an external URL where your server processes incoming messages. Next, choose the HTTP method. You can pick between POST and GET. POST is commonly used when sending data securely to be processed, while GET works for retrieving information. After that, enter your public URL, the endpoint where Twilio will send incoming message requests. Make sure this URL is accessible from the internet. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. So that's basically how you can add a webhook in Twilio. That's it for this video. Thanks.